If you're using Phonak Infinio hearing aids and have had people complain that they can't hear you very well when you're on the phone with them, you're not alone. And in 3 simple steps today, I will demonstrate how you can fix this problem for yourself without needing to visit your audiologist. And I will also share the biggest mistake that most people make and what you should avoid doing. Now, for context, I run one of the largest independent hearing clinics in the UK, and this is something that I see with my patients every single week. In a recent poll that I put out there on YouTube, I asked you guys watching my videos if you've ever had issues with people on the other end of the phone hearing you, with over 50% of you reporting that you do, which pretty much coincides with my experience in clinic, and I'm keen on knowing about you watching this video today. Have you had friends report that they struggle to hear you when you're on the phone? Now let me know in the comments beneath this video, and whilst you're at it, tell me the model of the hearing aid that you're wearing too. Now the problem is simple. Your hearing aid microphones are up here, trying to pick up your voice for phone calls, which is here. And if you're in a noisy situation, the sound of your voice is getting lost amongst all of that noise in the background around you. So whilst you'll be able to hear everybody that you're speaking to very well on the phone, they may not be able to hear you very well. So what's the fix? Well, firstly, make sure you've updated your iPhone to iOS version 26. To check which version you're on, head over to the iPhone settings, then software update. If you've already got version 26, then you're ready. If not, then perform the update. Again, in your iPhone settings, scroll down to Sound and Haptics, and then select Input. Finally, you'll notice that the default is Automatic R Phonak hearing aid. Whilst the theory of this hands-free setup is great, it just doesn't work well. And I've been complaining about this for years. And that's not just with Phonak, that's with any hearing aids from any manufacturer. I'd recommend changing it to iPhone microphone. So now every phone call that you take will pick up your voice from the microphone on your phone rather than your hearing aids. So the big question is, what mistake do most people make? It is possible to temporarily enable this feature when you're on a call. To do so, swipe your finger down from the top right corner of your screen when you're on a call, where you'll find the battery sign. Press iPhone controls and then select iPhone microphone. The downside, you have to do this for every single call. Don't do that, do it the first way. And if you want to know a bunch of other useful Phonak Infinio Ultra tricks, check out this video.